What do you find young gentlemen up to? Oh, you're hosers.
Hosing.
Hosing? You're probably used to having that big stuff in your hand, huh?
A little stiff, yeah.
Little stiffy?
This here is a little small.
It is. What? You got to get that spill kit out, Kyle.
No, don't bust that.
We could have bloodborne pathogens going around.
Yeah, I think they fucked it up.
Oh. That's interesting.
That's too bad you had to remove that whole valve bank. Should I heard they eliminated that hole, huh? I heard they eliminated that hole.
Yeah.
Interesting, huh? I'm being very, very vague.
Yeah, locker.
Get her in the right ornamentation.
No.
What else we got going on? AC lines. That's it. I'm just not in the mood to film these days. It's been terrible. Hope you guys don't mind. That's the way it goes sometimes. See that? I'm talking to the camera. That's what they just put in. It's a saw block manifold. It had an interior problem. Or exterior? Interior or exterior problem? Exterior. So I have to tell everybody what you had to do because just ignore me, okay, boys?
Nothing new.
Nothing new? I know. You do it quite regularly. You're not a problem. Well, sometimes.
Sometimes what?
You're not a problem. You shut up, Mike. So where was it leaking? On the bottom, right?
Somewhere it was like this.
So they had to replace the saw manifold block.
We never verified. Might still
Yes,
be
you
that
did.
on. Not quite sure what happened.
You told me. I wasn't here, but you told me.
You twisted shells.
Said to take this whole block out. Dissect it like it was a frog in biology. Remember that? Did you guys do frogs in biology?
I thought that was math.
We did piglets. We got to do little piglets in biology. Yeah, because the school had money that year.
I wasn't smart enough to go into that class.
Oh.
The smart kids got
It was
to do
biology 1. It wasn't biology 2. In biology 2, they had sharks. They got to dissect sharks.
And we did
Frog. Fish?
fish and frogs.
Yeah.
The smart kids got to do pigs.
Oh, are you saying that I'm...
No, I mean, shit must have changed. Cause
Did your teacher do like ours? And he'd say to one kid, he'd say, here, grab the intestine, the small intestine, and then they'd walk clear across the room in a little piglet, and it was like 20 feet long.
No?
It was cool. It's no wonder they make sausage out of intestine, right?
Yeah, a lot of sausage.
They had a lot of sausage and a lot of intestine. Did you hear Grandpa's prognosis?
Yep.
He told you? Okay. Did he tell you his treatment when he was just here?
Yeah.
Starting next Wednesday?
Oh, he didn't tell me when it was.
Yeah. If we had any good ones, they're in Troy's toolbox. Troy, you're the only one that you hoard them. You got the good ones.
I have one.
Oh, that's more than I got.
Green.
Not like the
Actually, that reminds me that's something that we have a shortage of. All right, I'm gonna go home now. I mean, quit. Yeah, I talked about it. I said we got to do all the AC work on it. I don't know what else. Yeah, you could. Yeah.
Huh?
Nothing? Huh? Oh, yeah. We found numerous little leaks. There was only, oh, I better watch what I'm doing. Not even a quarter of a pound in there. I don't get that. So we found numerous old, well, they're old hoses, and on this one I made the choice to just, there's only 4 hoses, change them. So, we gotta tighten this intersection yet. And Goober and his brother are working on it. Chief? What else do we got going on here? Is that thunder? Is that thunder? Oh, that's what I could go do. Mow my grass. I already did it, but it's like a hayfield again.
Mow the corn.
I did. Where he planted it in the, shh, don't tell anybody. Where he planted it right in the grass and then they didn't spray it and it was only this tall and it'll never get any taller.
Okay.
I carved it right down. Because the ditch is always full of water from all the damn rain we got.
It hasn't rained all year.
Alright, here. Troy's gonna put that on his F-250. He's gonna put a cherry picker on the back and he's gonna go logging with his Ford. You guys ever have the walking farts? You know what a walking fart is? When you walk like this and every other step you go.
Because you're getting old, man.
That's because you're getting old and you're losing your rectal control.
You just had.
Shut up, don't even go there. Oh, you had your butt plug in? Is that what it was? That cone over there? That's Kyle's cone.
Show them what you put on your seat when you sit down for break.
Yeah, this is Kyle's break room. And Kyle and Troy, they swap. This is a break room. Yeah, exit only. I know that, man. That's what the boss said.
What?
That's what the boss said when he made us. Created us. That's exit only.
Except unless you're Mike.
No.
Sick son of a bitch.
Anyways. I'm just gonna keep circling you guys like a freaking wagon train.
Put that on first or?
We gotta put this one on, then this one, then this one, then that one.
Should we put electrical on first?
Yeah, probably.
I'll be quiet. You guys ever seen one of these? It's a machining masterpiece. Those guys that machine them are awesome. Except when they develop a crack in the dowel hole. I think it was a design flaw. But that's what you saw us doing yesterday. The machine left this morning, changing that saw manifold on that head. It was leaking out of that dowel hole. That means it's too close to a passage and or, yeah, who knows what. But anyways, it got replaced. And if you don't know how much work goes into that, just look at how many orifices and fittings and giant holes to fill there are on that thing. So, the boys did a nice job getting that done. The thing just kept bleeding oil and it's just, and guess what? The new one don't have that hole in it, that one dowel hole. That's good. They changed their way. They knew they had an issue, so they changed it. So that beaver's gone and gazelle is gone outside, and now we've got a timberjack in here. Oh, I didn't show you. We're trying to change all of these machines, one machine at a time by putting Ponza parts on it. Actually, anybody can get that, but it's got a Ponzi sticker on it. And actually, I put this one on for him about 5-6 years ago, and it's wore out. So the customer decided to put a new one on. So we got that to do. Got some leaks. I think I showed you a little bit of this one. Maybe, maybe not. And check the center section, tighten it up. And I got this a mystery problem. Footprints. Oily footprints. I think I got a pedal leaking in there. They're pilot operated pedals for the drive system. In other words, there's a hydraulic hose underneath each pedal that runs it. And when you push down, it goes forward. And when you push down, it goes forward, depending on which way you're going. It could be backwards or it could be forward. So I gotta try to figure that out, because when you're facing the front, the engine, she goes real slow. And when you're facing the rear, whoo, she goes like a you know what. So, hey, I'm just out here putting a little video up and we're trying to get caught up, but not really getting caught up. We're just keeping our heads above water here, so that's a good thing. Troy did manage to get, well, I don't even show you that because that's a whole video in itself. So, at any rate, that's what I got for you, just a short one. That guy, I'm waiting for a goddamn something, an O-ring. Should have been here today. Should have been, but it ain't been here yet, so I don't know what's going on with it. So, otherwise I got all my other issues figured out on that thing. So, we will talk to you later. Thanks for watching, guys. It's a short one, but a good one.